What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and we're in the Quadrasteer. It's raining out and we have the trailer hooked up. What do you think we're going to pick up now? We have arrived and we're here. What we're picking up or looking at is right behind me, but this is a really cool property here. The guy's name is Sam, and he's got, as you can see, a dirt track, oval dirt track on his property, and he's got a lot of trucks. He's got parts kind of all over. There's a square body Chevy, old diesel, and let's go over and check it out. All right, guys, here it is. It's what year is this? In 1981. Short bed, standard cab here. Checking out this guy's Sam, and he's got a lot of trucks. We like him already.
Square body graveyard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it all loaded up here. Sam uses skid loader to push it right up on there. So we're getting ready to head back home. All right, we're loaded up, headed out of here, but Sam's got a really cool property with a bunch of cool stuff. See if we can make this turn here. On the way out, he's got a bunch of square bodies. He's got a Malibu. The dirt track is really cool. All right, Sam, thank you. We'll see you next time. All right, guys, we got this gem home. We just gotta get it unloaded. He's coming around right now with the John Deere. This is not my house. This is not my truck, but we are gonna unload it right now.
Oh my gosh. Make sure you guys subscribe and like Danny or Slow Restoration's videos. There. That's all.
That's all you got?
Yeah, that's all.
That's it?
That's
all that build up, that's all you got. What do you got?
Watch Danny's intros and stay.
What's a intro?
I don't shush. And watch his car shows and stay tuned to Uncle Danny's car show videos.
Yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be great.
Next morning here, and the GMC Quadrasteer is putting in work, so we got to go pick up another one. So let's get on the road. Here's an example of the Conowingo Dam with the water low. I'm not sure why it's so low. We've had a good bit of rain, but you can see all the rocks out there. If you've been with the channel for a while, you might know we should do a garage update pretty soon, just because we have sold some vehicles, and there's some vehicles that if you haven't been with the channel for a while, you might not know about. The square body Chevy we just picked up is not mine. It's actually, I hauled it for my brother, but that's what I was getting at. We actually do have a 1984 square body short bed 4-wheel drive that we are slowly building. It's been a while since I worked on it, but it's actually a really nice truck. Right now it's down to the bare frame, so it's going to be a frame off. Nice build. Alright, guys, it's a little warm out today. We did get it loaded up. If you can see back there, we did pick up an S10. Needs a couple things done to it. This probably got to be a quick flip. It's actually a S10 I've never owned before. It's a 4-door 4-wheel drive, so we'll get it home, check it out. Well, that's a cool place there. Put this window down. They got a pond with an island and a bridge out to it. Huh. So if you're counting, that is now the 3rd marketplace purchase. And this one we had to hand winch up on the trailer, so a little bit of workout today. It's a little warm out. We made it home with this gem. Now we have to get it unloaded and get it checked out. I know it definitely needs a couple issues fixed on it. The main reason we got it because it needs a fuel tank. The guy put a fuel pump in it and the tank broke as he was reinstalling it at the fill neck. So definitely know it needs that. needs a few other issues fixed. It's gonna need, yeah, just a good cleaning really, and then we can get into seeing exactly how much it's gonna need to be roadworthy. And I think it'll be a good vehicle for someone. Like I said, it's a 4-wheel drive, 4-door, dirty inside, but it does have leather in it. So again, a good cleaning and some mechanical repairs, and we'll be good to go. We're loaded back up, or hooked back up, getting ready to go out and pick up the third one. Yukon's really putting in the work. It's a hot one today, so we didn't do any recording, but as you can see, we have something on the trailer. So let's get up here and get this thing ready to unload. Alright, as you can see here, we have another square body project slash parts truck. So it's got actually got a really decent lift on it. It's all brand new lift kit on it. I think it's a super lift. Yep, got the drop bracket. It's got a bunch of parts on it, so it's actually, it looks a little rough, but there's a lot here to work with. Let's get this thing unloaded. Yukon did amazing again in this very, very, very hot, humid weather. So yep, let's get unloaded. We're in the Yukon Quadrasteer again. This time we're not towing a trailer, but we are getting ready to haul some parts. We're on our way actually back up to Denny's Camaro parts to get the last few parts we need for the Camaro, the 69 Camaro in the shop. That's one, well, first of all, the Yukon did amazing. Towing, hauling, just driving around. We use this thing all the time. It's very comfortable. I did a whole video on it before, but it's probably one of the best vehicles we've ever bought. So with that being said, one of the major issues with a big project like the Camaro in the shop is actually keeping parts in stock, especially with the COVID-19. A lot of stuff is hard to get in, or it takes a lot more time to get in. So keeping everything, finding out what you need, ordering it, and making sure it gets in. Again, we're driving up to Denny's Camaro again, so it just takes time out of working in the shop to actually get done, but it's part of the job. So it's just something you got to do, and you deal with it. But it can be very challenging to order the parts, make sure they come in on time. So unfortunately, if you're waiting on parts, it may be impossible to finish one thing or 5 things until...
Turn left to stay on Donnerville Road.
Might be impossible to finish one thing or 5 things if you're missing one, you know, $2 part and you just don't have it to install. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's get there, get our parts. We're picking up.
Left to stay on Donnerville Road.
We are picking up some pretty neat stuff here at Denny's Camaro. It's really going to transform the Camaro, the looks of it. I mean, like I said, we have a surprise for, if you call my last video, the interior. So the gauges, I'll just tell you, we did get Chris ordered, they came in, they're in the shop, Dakota Digital gauges for it. So they are very, very nice. They're super sweet gauges, and we're going to pick up the whole new surround, the plastic surround piece, to install them also. Alright guys, we are almost there. Hopefully you can see that. That's Denny's address, 658 Hershey Mill Road, Pennsylvania. So we're almost there. Pull in and pick up these parts, and we'll show you what we're going to get. Alright, we got back home here, and obviously here is the dash surround I was talking about. And it's beautiful. Brand new. All the trim, all the edging is trimmed out in chrome, just like it should be. Radio is unchopped, radio hole is unchopped. The Camaro is chrome. This is the way they are supposed to look, and that's the way they did look. So very, very nice piece, definitely worth the money. And I got one of the Dakota Digital gauge pods, drop right in, and like I said, they look almost like factory until you turn them on, and then the digital part pops up in the center there. But That's going to be very, very nice. So excited to get that in the car. We did get a windshield for it too. We'll get that put in before something happens to it. And this is another extremely nice piece, nice addition to this build. We get it slid out here. We got a rosewood steering wheel, complete kit for this. So this is the factory wheel. Chris wants this car to look pretty much like 1969 when you first peek inside, but have functionability. It does have a quick ratio steering box and stuff, but look at that. Rosewood, real wood steering wheel, just like original. We got the horn button and the whole mounting hardware kit. That's going to be really nice in there. We got that and the console piece and just a few other things, but you guys already saw Danny's Camaro and some other videos, so that is that. The Yukon did, like I said, amazing. It does all we needed to do. It does it extremely well. So we got these parts, and I'll give you a sneak peek. As you can see, we do have a front fender on now. You can see the hood hinge on it. This car is really, really coming together, and we're well on our way on the exhaust system. Stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. And by the way, we got another box in from FedEx, of course, and good old FedEx. Almost put a hole right through the fragile sticker, and as you can see, this whole corner of the box was probably run over by a truck. Who knows?